In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram bot not working. If your bot has stopped responding or feels glitchy, we'll walk through a simple reset, a quick cache cleanup, a version check, and a privacy review to get things back on track. Follow along and try each fix in order. First, reset the bot conversation. Open the chat with the bot. Tap the three dots or the More menu and choose Stop and Block Bot. This temporarily ends the session and clears any stuck state between you and the bot. Right after that, you'll see a restart option in the chat. Tap Restart or simply send the command /start. This gives the bot a fresh handshake with your account. Many issues, like buttons not responding or messages being ignored, resolve right here after a clean restart. If the bot still isn't working, clear Telegram's cache. Overloaded cache data can cause sluggish performance and weird behavior without affecting your actual messages. On mobile, go to Settings, then Data and Storage. Open Storage Usage and tap Clear Telegram Cache. This removes temporary files like thumbnails and media copies. But your chats remain intact and safe. On the desktop app, go to Settings, select Advanced, choose Manage Local Storage, and click Clear All. Keep in mind after clearing cache, some media may need to re-download when you open it again. That's normal and expected. Next, make sure you are running the latest version of Telegram from your App Store. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that directly impact bot features. Open your App Store. Search for Telegram and update if you see the option. Keeping the app current reduces random glitches and ensures the bot platform features work as intended. Finally, confirm you haven't blocked the bot by accident. If a bot is blocked, none of its messages will reach you. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security and open Blocked Users. If you see the bot listed there, remove it from the blocked list. Return to the chat and send /start again to reinitialize the conversation. After completing these steps, test the bot by tapping its menu buttons or sending a simple command. Most problems clear up with a restart, a cache refresh, an update, or unblocking. If you still notice delays, give it a moment and try /start once more, as some bots process requests in bursts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.